Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Zcash is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, like I'd always like to start. So as I mentioned on the last video, this could be a potential double bottom, just like everything else out there. And this is looking bullish and it's looking really good. So I did place a small position a few days ago. It was back on July 25th. So I'm a little bit in the money. Stop loss is, a little bit tight, right below the previous low, which is good. But look, man, we break above $75.73 and we are golden. Cause look, boom, this will put us all the way back to at about 124 bucks. And if that is the case, look, this is like a bigger double bottom. And that would put us back to, I don't know, over 200 bucks. So we do have a lot of room here to make quite a bit of money in this pair right now. So we just have to be watching this very closely. Now, before we get all excited how much money we can make, we gotta wait for price action to tell us we're there. So, by the way guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel to reach 7 billion people. And we're going to teach everyone in the world how to trade the crypto markets. So just do your part, because we're a community here. We're trying to help everyone out. Also, if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the markets too. So, that being said, guys, if we do see a pullback, I mean, worst case scenario, we're going to 54 bucks. That will be the 61% retracement. 200-day moving average will be, by the time we get there, we'll be at the 61% retracement, so the 54 bucks. I don't see that happening, but that's a possibility. If that is the case, if we have that kind of pullback, and then I would be a little concerned, because now this pattern will more likely will be invalidated. I mean, right now it's kind of like a stretch, but it's getting there. If we reach the 75%, sorry guys, it's almost midnight and I'm kind of tired, but if you would reach the $75 mark, I mean, your target is 125 bucks. Yeah, about 125. So we just have to keep in mind the targets. Let's just move the fibs a little bit from the swing high of June 26th to March. So if we move the fibs, we have a 50% retracement coming up here due, but ultimately I just want to see the break of the 75 bucks. Break above the 75 bucks, and man, this looks really good. I don't see, like I said, I don't see this breaking any lower right now. If we look at the RSI, just check this RSI out. We're still pretty bullish, and even so, this is the thing. Even if the RSI starts to turn bearish, that doesn't mean that we could go further. Because here's a great example, guys. So we had this rally, RSI started to turn bearish, we had a pullback, we had another rally, we rally even harder, but look, RSI did not break the previous high. So even though we didn't break up the previous high, it's still pretty bullish. So just because RSI is just a tool that you use to kind of narrow down things and just to give you clues. It's not necessarily, it's oversold, we gotta sell, or it's overbought, or vice versa. So it could go either way. So that's just something to keep in mind when you guys are placing, positions. I like to say, price action is the key. So right now, as I have it set up, so currently this is the current setup that I have right now with Zcash. My risk to reward is 3.2, about 3, a little bit over 3, so 3.2 to 1. Now, if we break this neckline, and then that's 19 to 1, which is amazing. So I decided to pull the trigger a little bit early because I thought that it was worth it, you know. And if we break above this $75.73, then I'll probably will add more to it because you know I kind of want to load up. You can never have enough, but you just have to be very careful because you don't want, like I said, if you lose all your capital and then you're screwed. So keep that in mind. Also, guys, we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post the videos. So just make sure you leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. That way, you know, in our private chat, we're posting every day. That way you guys can see all the information all the time here in the video. So kind of playing around with that. That being said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.